Check out this cheap 2020 Grand Cherokee Laredo E. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, ECO suspension STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, black cloth bucket seats, billet silver metallic clear coat, wheels, 17 inches x 8.0 silver aluminum, STD, quick order package 2BE Laredo E included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, power 8-way driver manual passenger seat bright side roof rails power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, tires P245/70R 17 BSW on off-road, STD, and rear-wheel drive. Low mileage.